Hi guys, welcome back for another video. Today, another unboxing video. I'm sorry. Listen, I'm literally trying my best to do some videos outside, but you know what's going on. It's hard. Yeah, it's hard. 2 meter distancing, and you know, there's always different approach. Like when you're talking to strangers, like sometimes they're overwhelmed or something like this. I don't know. But anyway, like I really want to, you know, do reactions. So if you have any suggestion reactions I should do, let me know in the comments below, or I'm just, you know, find out whatever that I can react to it, you know, because I don't have a lot of people who really interested in like what I'm doing. But anyway, I had me an iPad Pro 2018 before, and was 12.9 inches, and like I literally had it, but the thing is I couldn't do all my editing on it because it was literally slow, and also my camera as a HD and all, it was taking away a little bit like the quality of the video sometimes on my iPad that I had before, you know, I was doing the editing and all. But so I thought probably why not just go with MacBook or something like this. And I've been saving my money since literally like, you know, last year, like for a MacBook, literally, and I never ended up buying it. So I thought probably, you know, buying an iPad Pro would make sense, you know what I mean? So I bought me an iPad, but then I wasn't really, you know, getting comfortable with it. So I thought, you know, probably I should take a MacBook instead, and that's what I did. You know, I got me a MacBook today, Pro 2020. Apparently it was better than the Air, because if you're doing multitask or like, you know, going to school, doing, you know, stuff on it, and also like editing, it wouldn't be, you know, as smooth as the Pro actually, like if you would take the Air or something. So that's why I didn't went with the Air. And also I had like discounts from Best Buy because I've been with them like for 3 years now, you know, as a member. So I got like $200 discount, not even a student, because apparently they don't have student discount at the moment. But yeah, if they would, I would have to probably wait for 2 months, because school may start in 2 months. That's when they're gonna drop the sales and everything, such as what, you know, what kind of sales they're gonna do, you know what I mean? But anyway, talks a lot. Yeah, I got me a MacBook Pro, and I also got me the case to go with it, you know, and I have like warranty that I have to pay like $30 every month for like at least a minimum like 8 months, and then after 8 months they're just gonna cover it for me the whole time. So that's like $240 in 8 months, so it's really nothing like when you're working. But yeah, I'm getting my apartment soon, so I'm literally buying all the stuff that I need. I know that I'm not gonna run, you know, I'm not gonna run from it, you know, while I'm like working. And also, you know, realizing that you have everything at home, what to buy instead of food and probably some drawers or something close. So yeah, I have me in my case here, you know, it says MacBook Pro, you know, 13-inch. It doesn't say 2018, I mean 20 and all, but I think that's the one for this year, because there was another ones that on the bottom it says like 18 or something to 2019, but yeah, this is the one. It's not really like a good quality, it's too much plastic on it, but I mean just for not it to get, you know, scratches and everything. But other way, I mean either way, I literally have warranty with it, so I don't care like lately. But even that, for the time that I'm with it, like I just want my stuff to be, you know, clean, you know what I mean? So that's why I just took it, you know. But anyway, here's here, that's the yeah, that's the MacBook Pro. As you can see from here, MacBook Pro, 256 gigs. Apparently I was gonna go with the 19 MacBook Pro, but the thing is the MacBook Pro 2019 one is only 128, so why not go with 226? And it has a better like features and all, like, you know, keyboards like comfortably, something like this, and you know, the inside is way better than the last model. It's always like that with Apple. But this is my last purchase of this year, and I already bought my TV. And the last thing probably I'm gonna buy that's not gonna count, because obviously I'm moving out, it's like, you know, like furnitures and stuff like this for my house, I mean for my apartment. But yeah, you have it here. I'm gonna open it. Like Apple make it so easier for you to open it instead of knife. Please don't be salty and just be inspired, because it's all about, you know, like working hard and keep your money and all, and buy stuff that you really need, honestly. And that's one of my stuff that I really need, you know, for my YouTube and all. But yeah, you have it here. I was really confused at first when I was at Best Buy store, because I wanted like the 2021, and the 2019 one and 2020 was in the same category. So I just really wanted to make sure, because the price was literally the same, 1700, but I didn't buy it for 1700 though. I got it for like 1500 because, as I told you, the warranty, I mean the guarantee that I had. But yeah, you have it here. I'm really trying my best, like literally, to open this. But yeah, it smells good too. It smells new. God damn. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna just do it like this. Listen, I don't want to drop it, okay, for unboxing. If you hear any noises in the back, it's literally my nieces, like they're going off. Like whenever I'm trying to vlog or something, I mean film a video, it's always like the craziness. So I'm trying to edit, but please, if it's really, you know, annoying, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna figure out, like literally, because sometimes I really try to edit all the noises in the back, but sometimes I just be like, you know what, probably it's fine, you know, people understand. But yeah, you have it here. That's the MacBook. It's way even like square kind of than the Air, because I had the Air before, but I kind of returned it because after realizing that I'm gonna do like some editings plus going to school with it, so it wouldn't be enough for, you know, for a computer. But this one does everything, I guess. Have it here. Oh my god, my finger's already on it. That's crazy. But yeah, that's how it looks like. Apparently when you're gonna open it, it's gonna be already on. Let's see. Oh well. Oh yeah, it did. I thought literally it wouldn't be on. And you got like the, you know, touch bar and everything. But literally, honestly, I didn't care about this. Like I wanted everything to be normal as the Air, you know, with how, you know, touch bar and everything. But like that's how it comes with it, you know. I can't do anything about it. But yeah, I'm gonna go with English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
English is the main language, yeah. Your network connection could not be figured. Like why am I, you know what, my current does not, okay. I literally just want, I'm gonna try like make 10 minutes of videos now, like literally, because I've been like doing 7 minutes and YouTube doesn't like it. Literally, they don't really give me views at all. Like literally, I don't be promoting my stuff. But yeah, you always press like agree, you know, going forward to it. I'm gonna do this later. But yeah, I'm gonna put it in the case and all, and that's the thing that comes with it. You know, you got your manuals in here if you just want to be the first time, like if it's your first time going on it, it helps you and it guides you. But yeah, you have this plug right here, wall plug, and you got a charger right here. That's it. Literally, that's literally what comes with it, you know what I mean? So if you liked today's video, please drop a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. And I'll be back with another one. I promise, guys. Like I'm literally trying to do some other type of videos, like not only always unboxing, but I feel like it's always good, you know, to share with the viewers and all, such as you guys supporting me, and you know, obviously like promoting me, such as sharing my YouTube channel and all. You know, it's always good, you know, to show you guys what I get, so that you're like a family to me, because you know, like it's all about being together, you know. And I'm trying my best to show you what I have and to be inspired sometimes, you know. But anyway, if you liked this video, please drop a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll be back with another one. I'm out. All right, bye.